So how can you add a web page shortcut to the iPhone's home screen? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So you might be inside of your web browser, like in Safari browsing the web. And if you want to add it to the home screen, make sure to click on the share button. It should be available somewhere alongside your screen, right? So whatever the website is, you can click on the option like on the three dots, tap on a share and click on more. Again, the three options, the three dots, sort of, and there is going to be the add to the home screen button. So you can click on it. It has the icon of a square with a plus button in it, and it just gives you this page where you decide the logo is likely going to be one from the website, but you can at least change the title, right? And you also have one toggle to open as a web app, because you can decide if you want to keep it as a shortcut that when you click on that icon, it will open it through Safari, or if it's supposed to open it in like a separate window independent from Safari and it will behave like a web app. So this is what you get to decide, but however you decide to go with, just click on add and it will be added as a standalone separate icon on your home screen. So you can move it around as if it were a regular website or, regular app, and you can just place it anywhere and open it up anytime you want. That's how it works. Let me know if you managed to make it functional on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the next videos as well.